How do behavioral experiments test negative beliefs about activity? Imagine trying something new and discovering it's not as scary or difficult as you thought. That's exactly what behavioral experiments do in cognitive behavioral therapy. They help you see if your negative beliefs about activity are true. These experiments involve choosing specific activities that you might be avoiding because you believe they will turn out badly. For example, if you think going for a walk will make you feel worse, you plan to go for a short walk anyway. The goal is to gather real evidence about what actually happens when you do these activities. First, you identify the negative beliefs you hold about activity. These might be thoughts like, if I try to be active, I will fail, or doing activities won't help my mood. Then, with your therapist, you pick activities that are meaningful to you or that you used to enjoy. These should be manageable so you don't get overwhelmed. You schedule these activities and commit to doing them, even if your motivation is low. After completing each activity, you reflected on what actually happened. Did you fail? Did your mood improve? Or was your fear unfounded? This process is based on the idea that your negative beliefs are often based on assumptions rather than facts. When you test these beliefs through real-life experience, you can see whether they hold true or not. If your belief was that activity would make you worse, but you find that it actually made you feel better or had no negative effect, that belief gets challenged. Over time, these small experiments help you build confidence in your ability to engage in activities without fear of failure or worsening symptoms. Behavioral activation is a key part of this process. It encourages you to increase your involvement in positive activities that align with your values. These activities are planned carefully, so they are achievable and relevant. As you do more activities, you start to notice improvements in your mood and motivation. This creates a positive cycle where doing activities reinforces the idea that they are helpful, not harmful. In practical terms, you might write down what activities you plan to do each day. These could be simple things like calling a friend, doing a hobby, or walking outside. You also think about what you expect to happen before you do each activity. Afterward, you record what actually happened and compare it to your expectations. If you believed that talking to someone would make you feel worse, but instead you felt better or neutral, that's evidence against your negative belief. Monitoring your mood and experiences during these experiments is important. It helps you see patterns and understand that your fears may not be based on reality. Over time, these experiments can change how you view activity and help you break free from avoiding things that could actually improve your life. This way, behavioral experiments serve as a practical tool to test and revise negative beliefs, making it easier to stay active and feel better.